Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a pattern, and they're making business card holders that they can, and they saw one of my business card holders. I've always done circles. I kind of like this idea, but they asked how they could get this smooth shape. And there's a couple of ways, an easy way and not as easy. I'm not going to say a hard idea, but you take this item, go up to object and convert it to curves, and then take your shape tool and select these two nodes, and then go up here and add nodes. Of course, it adds the nodes on this side, so you can just delete them. And it's not going to be, it's going to be a little time consuming. Then you grab these three and maybe, tell you what, grab this one and right click and turn them into curves. Grab the center, start moving them and moving into the center, and maybe even delete this one. And you could play around with this for 30 minutes and not get this shape. So how did I make that shape? I'm going to hit P and put this in the center of the page. And I'm going to get another square and hold down the control button. And then I'm going to round it off to like 0.2. And then I'm going to rotate this guy 45 degrees. And then I'm going to hit P. Then with my pick tool, I'm going to start moving it and then hold down the control button. That way it'll be in the center. And I'm going to go just past center. And then I'm going to take the virtual or smart fill tool and fill that in. And pretty quick, you've done those rounded corners. Now, I would suggest taking these two, don't do that. Take these two nodes and open up your Docker corners and round these corners off a little bit, just so you won't have a sharp edge. But that was quick and easy and symmetrical and almost perfect. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.